So the only tool you'll need today is a T20 Torx. First of all, we'll undo the 3 screws. So there's one located here and another one located on the other side. Where are we there? And one that I've already wound out, just coming out of the carpet there. You can see it better on this removed example. So those 3. Once all those are undone, this overlaps. So there's a big bit of plastic behind there. So best to just, there's 2 clips here, one here and one here. So just undo those, well, just pop them out. Okay, so one there, and see how there's that little lip. So just a little bit of a wiggle, that reveals this. So just unclip that and then pull that out there. That's just for your little light, we fit well. And then you can pull. So once that's out of the way, you can see where the cabin filter is actually housed. So it's 4 screws you need to undo, one there, one there, one there, and a 4th one just out of shot. You get a better idea here. So 4 screws in those locations. This reveals the 2 parts of the filter that you need to remove. Noting, of course, that the slats on the filter are horizontal, so you want them to go back in horizontally. So taking those out, and you can see it is looking nasty. Probably best to give it a hoover down here, and of course actually up in the filter housing if you can be bothered. And of course here is the brand new filter to slot right back in again. Note that there are slots here, so they need to slot into these bits at the back. Okay, so make sure that happens when you pop it back in. Just do up your 4 screws. And then just slotting this back in, making sure of course that this piece here actually goes over the top of this part. Plugging this back in as well. So getting it back in is a bit of a faff. You need to just try and get this. So once you got that hooked in, so like that, making sure of course that you also get the these tabs at the back here. There's one there, there's another one that you can sort of just make out there. Okay, so they need to get hooked by the 2 hooks that you have for this. And then it's just a simple case of doing up your last 3 screws. Now with this one I found it was easiest to shove it through the carpet and then use the tip of the screw to just line it up with the plastic hole behind it. And once you've done that, then it was very easy to wind in. And that's you.